Guys, it's 2 a.m. This was just delivered to my house. It's a 1972 Porsche 914. I feel like I'm dreaming. This is crazy. Alright guys, this is just a sneak peek. It appears to be all original as far as I can tell. This is so cool. It wasn't supposed to be here until next week. It arrived early. Alright guys. Stay tuned for more. See ya. Well guys, it's the next morning. It wasn't a dream. It's really here. It's a Porsche 914, 1972. Same year as my F250. 10 years younger than Rusty. Rusty was getting lonely. He needed a friend. Is this Rusty's girlfriend maybe? I'm not sure. If you guys want to help me come up with a name, leave some ideas below in the comments. Don't worry, Rusty's not going anywhere. We're gonna get Rusty up and running and driving, and that will be the main focus for the next few months. But you will see some videos on this Porsche. It's pretty exciting. I don't even know how this came into my life. I just wasn't even looking for a Porsche. It just, I don't even remember how I found this car. It just happened. Kind of like how it happened with Rusty. I wasn't looking for Rusty. Rusty just kind of found me. And same thing happened with this car. I'm super excited. I'm freaking out right now. This is crazy. It wasn't supposed to be here this early. It was actually supposed to arrive next week. And I have to leave town this morning for a couple days. And then I get back Sunday, and then I have to leave again for a few more days on vacation. So we'll see more of this when I get back. But I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. If you look up the history on these cars, it's pretty cool. They were a collaboration between the Volkswagen engineers and the Porsche engineers, and I think they were made between 1960 and 1975 or 76, and they were the supposed to be the replacement for the 912 and the Carmagia. There's a lot of really cool history on these if you look it up. I mean, look at the wheels. Those are Volkswagen wheels and hubcaps, basically. The gas cap has a VW on it. There's Volkswagen emblems all over it. And there's some other interesting characteristics about this car. I think in America, if I read correctly, they didn't put the Porsche emblem on the hood for some reason, but over in Europe they did. There are Porsche emblems on the car. There's a few, so it's pretty cool. That being the biggest one. So I don't have a lot of time to dig into it right now, but we will take a quick look at the there is some rust, so you know it's related to Rusty somehow. It smells like rat piss and old gasoline. There's some, this is how I like to find them though. I love finding them like they were left, just a time capsule. We're gonna go through these newspapers and check out the dates. Looks like he's got an old fire extinguisher in here. Some shotgun shells. Look at this old heater tube or something. Look, it has a Porsche receipt on it. Original. Wow. So this is the trunk. Oh yeah. There's the jack. That's cool. You can tell there were some mice or rats living in here. And the engine, it's mid-engine. The engine's behind the seat. I'm not sure exactly how to get in there yet. This roof comes off, so it's like a convertible. And let's see. There's some more goodies in here. Some interesting receipts and bags and stuff. Looks like this is part of a computer or printer. The dude was probably like an engineer or something. We'll find out. There's probably some receipts and stuff in here. Look at this old bag. East Pack. Made in USA. Wow. That's cool. There is a tire under here, I think. Yep. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. There is some rust here and there, but it doesn't seem to be too bad. Some old jumper cables. Look at those. Like an old radio, walkie-talkie or something. Look at that. Oh wow, that's cool. That's awesome. Wow. I tried to open the doors last night. Guys, this is like the first look. I mean, this thing just showed up last night. The guys delivered it last night at like 1:30 in the morning. Feels like I was just out here a few minutes ago. I can't get the door open for some reason. I'm not gonna force it right now. But everything seems original. There's the antenna, the mirror, the hubcaps, the wheels. It all looks original. The interior is like a dark brown. Here's the Porsche emblem for the horn. Steering wheel and everything looks original. There's the Porsche symbol on the gearbox, on the stick shift. The dash, it's got a little bit of bubbling up there, but it doesn't look too bad. The seats are in pretty good shape. I don't really see, I mean, yeah, there's a couple little, there's like a cigarette burn here. And a little bit of a tear, but man, overall pretty good. Pretty good. It looks like it has all its knobs, switches, original cassette tape deck from 1972. That was high tech back then. Wow. Wow. Not sure if that's the original exhaust or not. They may have upgraded that at some point. Oh guys, I can't wait to dig into this. Can't wait. It's early. I haven't even had my coffee yet. And I'm this excited and I haven't had my coffee yet. Oh. Damn, I love this little thing. It's so cool. Alright guys, I can't even see. The sun is blasting me right in the face. I hope you guys got a good view of this. And stay tuned for more.